Hey guys, welcome back to my health and wellness channel. So today, for this week's recipe, I'm going to be making salmon in the oven. And I don't normally eat fish, but I'm making this recipe for my husband, and I can't take full credit for this recipe. I got it from a friend of mine, so here we go. All right, so we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, okay? And you're going to get like a 13 by 9 inch pan. And I'm just gonna spray this bottom with some cooking spray. And then you're gonna get like one decent sized piece of fish, probably at the grocery store. And this will be enough for like 3 meals. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut it into 3 different pieces. All right, so I cut this into 3 pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in my pan here to cook. So those are the 3 pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my olive oil to the top. Just kind of eyeball it. I just cover it, enough to cover it. Some garlic powder. And some black pepper. And then I'm going to put some panko breadcrumbs on top. And then I'm going to put some lemon. Just the juice of some lemons on the top. Lemon gives it a little extra flavor, or so I've been told. Like I said, this is the first time kind of making fish, so. But I'm always learning something new, so that's a good thing. Want to have a variety when you cook. All right, let me wash my hands. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven, bake it at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. All right, so it has been 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull out the salmon. Looks like it's done to me. So the way that we tell it's done is if it's flaky. So yeah. So this is how it's supposed to look when it's finished. So it's literally supposed to look like that, kind of flaky. All right, so that's it, guys. Super quick, super easy. I'm actually gonna serve this with some vegetables and some potatoes that I made earlier when I did my meal prep. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, okay? If you want to see any more recipes, and I hope you guys have a great week.